There are several different ways to save an assessment that you want to share with colleagues. So right here, I have an assessment. It's unpublished, which is why it's grayed out, but it could be done either way. Over here on the right, I have my gear. I'm going to click on the gear and I'm going to save to resources. Now, the first way that you can do this is to save to a group that you are part of. So if you have a PLC or a grade level group, you can save that assessment to the resources of that group. So I'm going to find one that isn't going to bother anybody else. So I'm going to put it in this OSD teacher librarian group. And perhaps you have a folder structure there. So these are all common sense. I'm gonna just not put it in a folder. I'm just gonna save it into the group resources in general. And I'm gonna go ahead. Now it's gonna save a copy of the assessment. So then back in the groups, here's that group. Anyone who has access to that group would be able to go to resources. And down here at the bottom is that ASL assessment, and then they can add it to a course. So that's one way. Another way, if you don't have a group or you just want to share it with one person, is to share it to a collection. So you have to start in your resources. And when you save things to your resources, it'll go to your home. Your home is like your own private set of stuff, your file cabinet, for example. But if you want to share stuff from your resources, the best way is to create a collection. So I'm going to add this collection, and I'm going to call it Shared with Kathy. And I'm going to go ahead and create that. And so here's my Shared with Kathy. I can add resources from other places. Well, I can make some on the fly, or I can go back to my course where I was now and go to my assessment again. Here it is. And this time, instead of saving to a group, I'm going to save it to my resources, and I'm going to click up here on the collection, and here's my Shared with Kathy folder. I could have a folder structure inside of that, but right now it's just a collection, kind of like a drawer that we share. So I'm going to save it. Now, even though I called that collection Shared with Kathy, I haven't actually shared it with her. So I'm going to go back to Shared with Kathy. Now it has this assessment in it, and I have this share button. I'm going to find my person. Here she is. And I'm going to go ahead and add her. So when I add people, then I want to go back and see what the permissions are. So Kathy can view anything that's in there, or I can make her an editor. So if we're both contributing to this collection, I would want her to be an editor so that we can both be contributing things. If I'm just giving her things to use, then I would leave her as view only. And so that is how you go about that. Kathy will receive an email or a notification in Schoology that this has been shared, or you can just let her know. All right, hope that helps. How to share an assessment or really any kind of material with another teacher.